What is this little snake, guys? It imitates a viper. See if I can record while I'm showing. I hope you hear it hiss? It imitates a viper. I'll let it relax a minute. It'll thin out. Right now it's all puffed up and looking big, and it'll hiss at you like a dangerous snake. But it doesn't really try to bite. It just pretends like it's going to try to bite. I wish I can get it there. Look at it flatten its head out and widen its body. It puffs its body up. Look at that. To make it look like a bigger snake. Look at that. I don't know if you can hear it hiss. Hear it hiss? It turns its head like it's going to bite like a poisonous snake. Look at that. I've never seen such a thing. Let me see if I can get it to roll away. Look at it rise up like it's a dangerous poisonous snake. Flattens its head and widens its body out. Never seen such a thing. I have no idea what this is. Let's see if it'll relax and take off a little bit and thin out. It looks like a normal little house or yard snake until it gets mad. Look at it puff up. Look at that thing puff up and get big. Isn't that weird? Get it ready to strike. But it doesn't strike, it just hisses. Look at that, it made me jump. It hisses. It's so cute, actually. It's actually sort of cute. Anybody know what that is? Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. I don't want to touch it, though, for sure. We're in northern lower Michigan. I grew up in Michigan my whole life. Never saw such a thing. But I grew up in farmland. So I don't know what that is. I'm going to pause and wait a few minutes. Let it relax. And come back. The cat just walked up. It hisses. I don't think it's harmful at all, or it would have bit. But it makes a striking action. I think it's done playing around. It's gonna get out of here. Another cat just came up. Well, sorry guys, I didn't mean to scare you. It's cool. No idea what that is. Look at that. It's defense. Oops. Upside down is not a good idea. Its defense mechanism is to make itself look dangerous. Well, I think I'll chase the cats away and give it a chance at life. It's pretty cool, though. It's definitely not dangerous. All right, guys, tell me what you think before this gets killed. I'm going to run off the cats. Tell me what you think, guys. What is this snake? It's pretty cool. Talk to you later.